AOPS Volume 1, the basics, number 20. Find I to the negative 18th plus I to the negative 9th plus I to the 0 plus I to the 9th plus I to the 18th. To evaluate this, we just need to apply some exponential properties, which is that any number raised to the negative exponent will be equal to 1 over a to the nth power, and any number raised to the 0 power will be, by definition, equal to 1. So we can apply it to find our evaluation of number 20. This becomes 1 over I to the 18th plus 1 over I to the 9th plus 1 plus I to the 9th plus I to the 18th. And a good rule to understand about I is that I raised to any power of 4, n being 1, 2, 3, 4, etc., a positive whole integer, will be equal to 1. So we can rewrite I to the 18th and I to the 9th to be in terms of I raised to some power of 4. Therefore, we can rewrite I to the 18th to be 1 over I to the 16th times I squared plus 1 over I to the 8th times I plus 1 plus I to the 8th times I plus I to the 16th times I squared. And I to the 16th, since it's raised to a power which is a multiple of 4, will be equal to 1. And I squared will be negative 1. So the first term, evaluated, should be nothing more but negative 1. And then I to the 8th is 1 times I will be 1 over I. Plus 1 plus I to the 8th times I, which is I, plus I to the 16th times I squared, which will be negative 1. And we see here that positive 1 and negative 1 can be eliminated to get negative 1 plus 1 over I plus I will be the evaluated form for number 20. And 1 over I plus I will be equal to 0. Hence, the evaluated form for number 1 will be negative 1, our answer.